let us learn to create simple loop. Loop means repeating something successively, or we also call it iterations. So for loops we usually have to have some loop counter, but for a simple for loop, this loop counter is within the for loop syntax. So we are writing integer I. Let this counter starts from 0. There has to be a semicolon, and that if you want to run a loop 5 times, so then 0 to 5 less than 5 means it will run for 5 times, and then I plus plus after every iteration of the loop, and then this block of code within the loop. Suppose I simply want to output to console this word called hello, and then each line I want to print in a new line, so I am putting and hello as well. Just see. So there is a loop counter. This loop counter range has to be checked. That means what is the final range and how this will increase or decrease. We are right now increasing this. So let us run this. So it has printed hello 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose we make some modifications here. We want to print a sum of numbers from 1 to 10. So sum, let the sum be an integer and let it start from 0. This will start from 1 because 1 to 10 we want. And here we have to give 10, but less than equal to 10 because we want 1 to 10. And here we'll simply give sum equal to sum plus I. And finally, we'll print the sum outside. We can also say sum of numbers from 1 to 10 in string literal, and then sum, and let us also put a new line there. So we are creating a new sum every time this loop is executing, so that successively the sum gets updated and we get the final sum when we come out of the loop. So because this is the loop body. Okay, let us run it. We have to give some space here. Then only it will be printed rightly. 1 to 10 is 55. You can check that. It is actually 55. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.